So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change the language on your accounts through the Discord application. So once Discord's opened up, you might be greeted to a screen like this. Just go to the bottom right, press on You, then go to the top right and press on the settings button. Then once you're here, I want you to scroll down all the way to where it says app settings right here, and where it says language, simply go ahead and press on that. Now once here, you can change the language to a whole bunch of different languages. So you have, Dutch, English, UK, English, US, Spanish, French, a ton of other languages. You can just scroll down and view whatever one you have to do. Once that's done, you can just go ahead and press on it. And then, yeah, pretty straightforward. So if I were to go ahead and switch to English UK right now, it's going to be on this. If we can go back to English US and go back, it'll stay the exact same. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to change your language here through the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.